Scientists are unlocking the code of life, the DNA inside all living things. This knowledge can lead to new tools for challenges such as climate change, developing clean energy, food safety, nutrition security, and improving our healthcare. If solutions are to be responsibly developed and efficiently applied, research must go beyond the biology. Diverse voices must also be part of the conversation. Genome BC asked 3 social scientists to share their experiences in working collaboratively with biologists on large-scale projects.
As part of the social contract of funding science, society expects solutions to some of the greatest challenges that it faces. And social scientists are very well positioned to mediate the conversation between the research community and society.
Genomics is a technology just like any other technology, like computers, the internet, or nanotechnology, or nuclear power. The technologies itself are probably value neutral, but the way it plays out in society is not, and it's exceedingly important for social scientists or environmental scientists to study how that plays out.
An interesting thing that happens when you bring a social science perspective to basically life science research, you start asking questions that are not typically asked, and you demand for certain type of evidence that is not typically produced.
Bringing in the social science community and other related communities broadens and strengthens the multiplicity of voices that direct the way that genomic applications are going to be developed. That diversity of voices is needed so that we can develop those technologies in ways that are meaningful to the communities that will be using them.
Technology development flows in one direction. You develop a technology and then you deploy it. But by having social science and environmental scientists involved from the get-go, you sort of reverse the direction somewhat. You start asking, what kinds of technologies are probably most appropriate and how are they likely to play while you're developing the technologies.
As a health economist, oftentimes the product that is coming to me for evaluation, for consideration of implementation, is almost a finished product. I don't have much say about the parameters of that innovation, but through this involvement in research, first of all, we learned as a team how in the pipeline an innovation really evolves. We were able to influence the course of the research in fundamental ways. So I would say the initial skepticism really went away very fast and was replaced by fruitful collaboration.
So one piece of advice that I would give to teams that are thinking of applying for Genome Canada or Genome BC funding is to start the conversation and to reach out to their colleagues in the social sciences early.
I think social scientists and environmental scientists, when they get involved in large-scale interdisciplinary projects, I would say that the first thing they should try to do is to try to understand the technologies a little bit more. Not all the gory details, but gain a little bit of a basic understanding of what the technologies are actually trying to do.
To me, the real opportunity to save our healthcare system lies in this interdisciplinary research. And to me, that's where the actual opportunity is. We need to engage life scientists, health economists, ethics experts, legal experts, all into interdisciplinary research so that we can answer the issue of sustainability of our healthcare system.
It is exceedingly important for social scientists and environmental scientists to be involved from the get-go, not after the technology is in place, but from the get-go in engaging with the public, trying to understand the risk of these new technologies and so on. So I feel like there's an opportunity now to be at the front end of these new technologies.
Genomics research in the areas of agriculture, environment, health is tremendously exciting. The only way to ensure the successful translation of genomics research is to include social science researchers and society in the discussion about how to advance the research and how to implement the technologies.